Boom! Welcome back to the show. And we are at the exercise number 1. We're still not moving on yet. We still not move. Not move. Alright, not move. So we have read the 2 adverbs. Then we have listened to the dialogue by me, playing the 2 characters. Which job would suit Emily best? So we have read that she is a person. She is hardworking. She said at the bottom of the dialogue, because I'm a hardworking and reliable person, and I enjoy dealing with the public. I'm also good at working in teams. So we can choose waiter, waitress, etc. over there. Friendly young team must enjoy dealing with the customers. Also the same meaning as dealing with the public. Shift work, lunch or dinner, plus tips, energetic, friendly young team. Okay, do shift work, yes. Also, she said in the middle of the dialogue, yes I did, though it was very tiring on busy nights. So the time changes, etc. This shift work, lunch or dinner. £7.30 an hour plus tips. So we have finished. And let's write down the answer. So her job will be waitress, a waitress. Okay, so let's move on to the exercise number 2, page 30. Next. Read the learner's box. Find the 2 examples of a question text in the dialogue in the exercise number 1. So question text, really easy. But it is important in the conversation. In talking, in the normal conversation, you do need the question tags. It is important. So what does question tag mean? We use question tags when we want somebody to confirm what we are saying. So the question tags normally at the end of the sentence. You worked in the kitchen, didn't you? Alright, didn't you? So you worked in the kitchen. So it is affirmative, positive. After that, the question tag must be negative. So if it is negative at the top, at the bottom will be, if it is negative at the first, at the top, at the bottom will be positive. If it is positive at the first, the second will be negative. Alright? We use auxiliary verbs, do, have, would, etc. or the verbs be in question tags. You weren't serving customers, were you? So you see the verb. You can see the verb. You see the verb, then you choose it is a question tag. Example, you weren't serving the customers, were you? So were, weren't, were. So negative part after that, after the comma, it will be positive. If it is positive before the comma, then after that it will be negative. So it is easy. So we can you find the 2 question tags in this exercise number 1? So the person asks, if the person with the question they want to ask, they use question tags. So the person asks most in the dialogue, it is the manager. How did you find out about this job? No question tags yet. You have worked in catering before, haven't you? So the first sentence, we just need to find 2. You have worked in catering before. The question tag will be haven't you? Haven't you? Alright, and the second one will be, let's find next. What did you do there? Did you enjoy the work? No, not yet. Did I miss something? Okay, did you enjoy the work? And you worked there for about a year, didn't you? So you worked there for about a year, didn't you? Alright, so next one. You worked there for about a year, didn't you? Let's put it. Alright. Alright. In case of making this more okay, like that. Okay, good. So we have finished the question tags part. Move on to the exercise number 6 on page number 30. Listen again. Number the questions in the order that you hear them. How many answers can you remember? Now we will do the listening, and we will order the sentences, those A, B, C, D, E, F, G sentences, into the correct order. Alright, we'll write numbers in the box, in those 6 boxes, 7 boxes right over there. So order it. Alright, so let me check. If we have time, we'll do the listening. Alright, if not, we'll move on to the other part of the show. Then we'll do the listening. Okay, so we still have time, plenty of time. So we'll do the listening right now. After that, we will correct your answers, okay? Listen carefully, then fill in the boxes.
Julia Rayworth.
Good morning.
Okay, so let's go.
Gary Smith.
That's right.
Good morning. My name's Julia Rayworth.
Good morning. Pleased to meet you.
And you? Come in. Take a seat.
Thank you.
Thanks for coming in.
You're welcome.
You live locally, don't you?
Yes, I do. I live in the village near the farm.
Right. That's great. Why do you want this job?
Well, I need work during the summer to pay for my university fees.
I see. Have you got any experience of this type of work?
Well, not exactly, but I'm used to working outdoors. I used to help a neighbour with her garden. She was too old to look after it.
That's interesting. What kinds of things did you do?
I cut the grass. I looked after the trees. Everything, really.
I see. The work is physically quite demanding and the hours are quite long. You're in good physical health, aren't you?
Yes, I am. I go swimming every morning, so I'm quite fit.
That's good. Why do you think you're the right person for this job?
As I said, I'm fit. I'm hard-working. I'm cooperative and flexible, so I'm good at working in a team.
I see. So when can you start work?
School finishes tomorrow, so I could start next week.
Okay, great.
So we have finished. So have you filled in the answers yet? If yes, congratulations. And if not, please move on to the next part of the show and I will correct your answers, okay? We'll do the listening one more time, and during that I will pause so that you can listen. We can prove that the answer is correct. We'll be right back for the next part of the show.